Hi guys, Daniel from Thumpstar here. Today we've got a short video for you on the TSK 50 and the TSK 90. These two bikes are very similar. In the United States of America, the TSK 50 will also feature a 70cc engine. Here we have the TSK 50, specially targeted at younger riders. These bikes feature a semi-automatic engine, a 4-stroke motor with a clutchless design. This is perfect for starting out your youngsters, teaching them how to change gears without the complication of the clutch lever. At the front of the motorcycle, we feature stainless steel brake line, front and rear, single piston brake. At the front, we feature our patented Thumpstar storage box. Simple to remove. You can put your keys, wallet, phone or anything else in there. It also has the GoPro mount on the top. As we take a look down inside, you'll notice there is also the GPS tracker slot where you can put your AirTag or GPS tracker of your liking. So these bikes feature a very unique lever design. It features a very small stand, which is great for young hands, for small hands, and you're looking at about 30mm there of minimum space. Across the top we have got our upgraded fuel cap, gripper seat. We have got a lanyard kill switch which will kill the motor should that be disconnected. The bike also features a kickstart alongside the electric start. So the TSK range features 56mm stainless steel foot pegs, which are the same as our full-size bikes. We have a caged airbox design with a dual stage oiled air filter. This is going to give you increased filtration, longer service life and increased flow. Exclusive to the TSK 90 is our pipe bomb exhaust with the removable baffle. This is perfect for people that are operating as residential areas and would like to reduce the noise output of their motorcycle. While our competitors feature 32-spoke wheels, our Thumpstar range comes with 36-spoked wheels. On the TSK 90, you will have a 12-inch front wheel and longer suspension travel. On the TSK 50, you will have a 10-inch front wheel. The TSK range comes complete with a very elaborate parts kit, a spare parts kit, including the colour change kit and numbers. We've got 10 different colours, including the neon, which is already on the bike, including red, yellow, turquoise, purple, green, blue, orange, black and white, meaning you can customise your bike however you like. These decals will simply replace the other ones. They're extremely easy to apply and they will definitely give you that custom look you desire.